Adam and wife Jackie arrive at the Gotham Film Awards 2025. It's a date night for Adam Sandler and his wife Jackie at the 2025 Gotham Awards. As they were dressed up, beautiful couple, we all keep saying a great time had been extra unhappy. He's lost some weight. He looks good though. Congratulations. Unproblematic man. Love them. So adorable. Love them. That is awesome. Best couple ever. You don't know already. So love you guys, and I'll be giving you more about show celebrities and news countrywide.